Hola people, so day 4 in Tokyo and it's my last day here because we're going to Osaka. Get dressed with me. So I'm wearing my pants now already. Again, it's from Urban Revivo. My comfy loafers guys from Zara. Guys, I was in Sensaji Temple yesterday and I got a good fortune and I'm not sure if it's okay to share it. But here's the few lines. Sobrang aligned on what's going on my life right now. It says your hard life under so many tables during a long period will be over and it may get better day by day. Our inner, we're gonna go for Zara, the one that I got from year-end sale. For our fit today, I really wanted to be very comfortable because we're gonna travel from Tokyo to Osaka. Okay, we're gonna do a necktie today. It's really a good thing na na-cross out ko na sa bucket list ko yung Japan trip. Okay, we're gonna go for 3 layers today. This top is from Forever 21. I got it from a Black Friday. I only got it for only $10. I like it this way. At some point, but yesterday I got a date, guys. You would be able to see that date on my YouTube channel. I'm using this Insta360 Ace Pro 2 that I got from my sister. I was so busy before coming here, then that's why antok, pagod. So for our third layer, I'm gonna reuse this coat from Perry Ellis. But this is only an option, guys. Like if it gets too cold. Our perfume for today from Jo Malone once again is this Yuzu Zest, my favorite. Okay, our city bag, we will be using it today once again. So from what I know, the more you use it, the more gumaganda yung leather ng city bag. I'm not sure if that's right, but that's what I heard. Here's the fit. Let's go to Osaka.